This is how to get remote data entry jobs in Nigeria. I'll be walking you through top companies hiring right now. This is audio transcription entry-level jobs. On average, a transcriber will earn over $500 a month. This one is voice recording data entry jobs. This particular website will pay you between $5 to $50 for every task. This is another website where you can transcribe in English and in different languages. This platform will pay you over $1 for every audio or video minute. Most people earn every month $980. Top earners earns over $3,500, and we still have other major languages that you can transcribe with this particular website. This one requires dividing audios into smaller portions and you labeling them, and this particular company will pay you over $7 for every audio hour. You see, it is very difficult to always get jobs online as a Nigerian. This is why you get to see my top 23 apps that earn me money in dollars all the time in Nigeria. You also see the reason and the need for you to start your own YouTube channel, even without your phone, towards the end of this video. But first, what are these remote data entry jobs that will work for you in Nigeria? Let me show you. This is Flex Jobs. This is one of the most trusted job board websites. This website curates and lists different jobs from verified companies. The only challenge with this website is that you have to subscribe and pay some tokens to be able to see listed companies that are giving jobs out. But you can see, like, this is a translator's data entry jobs. This is listed date, remote work level, 100% remote. That is, you can work completely from home. Location, you can work from anywhere in the world. This is another one, substitute and translator job. This is also a data entry job. Substitute job requires you to listen to an audio or video, then you rewrite what you are hearing, and this is another translator jobs. This is another job, Fulani telephonic interpreter. That is, you must be good with this language. You now be able to interpret to English or to another language. It is 100% remote and you can work from anywhere in the world. To use this platform, you can just start from here. Jobs by location. You'll be able to see jobs that is located in all these countries. So Nigeria jobs now, you click this. As at the time of this video, we have over 634 jobs. But for you to find the exact type of job you are looking for, you click find your next remote jobs. You click it. That is, if you want to work from home 100%, you click this. You want hybrid remote, that is half remote, half home. If you want to target remote work, that is optional. Suppose this is my choice, you click this, you click next. This is where you input your country. You click include job where I can work from anywhere in the world. You click this, then you click next. The next thing will be for you to upload your resume. No resume, no problem. You click this, then you click next. This is where you enter the title of the jobs that you are looking for. Suppose you are looking for remote data entry jobs, you click next. So these are different remote data entry jobs, but you can select them. Transcription job, data entry job. If your job is related to any of these, you select this, but let's stick with these two. You click next. How many years of relevant experience do you have? Less than 3 years. You click this, then you click next. What best describe your level of education? Suppose you only have bachelor's degree, just click this, you click next. You see find jobs, and you'll be able to find Nigerian jobs that are remote, work from home, part-time, off, and flexible. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, register, and start searching for job opportunity using Flex Jobs. Thank you. This is Go Transcript. You can see this platform has been in business for over 20 years. You'll be able to do remote transcription data entry jobs on this platform. According to them, you should be able to earn up to $1.75 per minute on this platform. And you have over 40 languages that you can transcribe to. And you can see that this website is legitimate with good Trustpilot rating. That is 4.9/5. All you need to do is to click apply. When you work on this platform, you get paid with either PayPal or Payoneer, and they pay every Friday on this platform. If you are doing English English translation jobs, you can earn over $1 per audio or video minutes, and average people earn over $900 on this platform per month. Top earners on this platform makes over $3,600. For English, they are not currently accepting English transcribers. You can go for all these languages. If you can transcribe in French, there's French opportunities. Help us meet the growing demand for French transcription. Apply today. You'll be able to make over $1 per audio or video minute. Average people earn over $900 on this platform from French. If you work very smart, you can still make over $3,600. Another language that you can consider is Arabic. There are openings for Arabic language, and look at what you are going to make. All you need to do is to select the language you want to transcribe, and you can start making good money on this platform. What vacancies are available? We are currently only hiring for transcriber position, and this is it. Do you hire worldwide? Yes. Go Transcript will hire worldwide. You just have to be good doing transcription jobs on this platform, and you can see it is free to join this platform to start working. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, and then you can now apply and start working. Thank you. This is Timebox, where you can do remote data entry capture jobs. This is one of the best platforms that you can do data entry jobs where you don't need to do test or exam before you get jobs. As soon as you sign up using the link on my website, for you to start getting jobs, you come to this place. You click earn. You can make money playing games, taking surveys, doing tasks, offer wars, content. You can refer your friends and family members. You can start from here. Task. You click it. You scroll down. Look at it. You have total tasks available, 264 tasks. If you complete them, you'll be able to get over $32. This is one of them. This is another one. This is another one. And you are going to see a lot of smaller one like this. All you need to do is to do as many as you can to accumulate the money you can make on this platform. How do you get paid? For you to get paid, you go to your menu, scroll down, locate settings. Settings. You click settings. You scroll down. When you scroll down, you make sure that you verify your ID. You upload your picture. That is your valid ID card. If you are from Nigeria, Nigeria National Driver License, your international passport, your NIN will do. This is where you select the payment method. You click payment method. You scroll down. Payment method, you click. These are different payment methods. Payer, ATM, Scree, virtual Visa card, Litecoin. This is my top recommendation. And you can also get paid through Litecoin. You will need a crypto exchange like Bybit. With Bybit, you can easily cash out your money directly to your bank account in any country. So you have so many options that you can use. This is Audio-B, where you can do different data entry jobs working from home from anywhere in the world, and that includes Nigeria. You can see be able to earn money doing audio transcription jobs, segmentation and annotation jobs. You'll be able to do voice recording jobs, and you'll be able to do language translation jobs. You can see there are a wide range of jobs. You work from anywhere and be able to get paid on time and every time. Each of these segments has different pricing. You can see for audio data entry transcription job and entry level jobs, earnings as a transcriber will earn you $575 a month. That is if you join as a transcriber today. This is segmentation and annotation jobs, just like UHRS jobs. This is all about labeling audio segments, and you'll be able to earn like $7 an hour as a beginner on this platform. And for voice recording data entry jobs, you can see it is quick and easy jobs. This one is pay as you go. You'll be able to earn between $5 to $50 per task. All you need to do is to click become a freelancer. You sign up, you take part in assessment test. Look at it, a short test and a quiz will help us evaluate your language skills. Then you'll be trained, you start work, then you'll be able to get paid. They will pay you via PayPal or through Payoneer. Since you are going to do tests on this platform before you are accepted, just know that if you are not accepted on one platform or you can't sign up in one platform, you'll be able to sign up in another platform. For you to start with Audio-B, you just click become a freelancer. That will present you this form, which is Audio-B registration form, and the company will reach out to you when they have a relevant project for you. You just input your name, email address, and ensure you tick all the options that is relevant to you, so that when they have such project, they'll be able to contact you and you'll be able to start doing remote data entry work from home jobs with this platform. Thank you. This is ClickWorker. What does ClickWorker do? We are always looking for people from anywhere in the world who enjoy writing, translating, researching, and data processing to train AI. You can see, join us in shaping the future by participating in AI training. You can see this is the inside of my ClickWorker. My current balance is over €5. The first thing you need to do, you come to your profile. This is where you provide enough information about yourself that will help you get jobs on this platform. The next important thing you need to do is to look for onboarding jobs. The essence of onboarding jobs is to train you how to use your phone, tablet, or computer to do jobs on this platform. Within 5 minutes, you finish most of the videos that you watch. You will earn this money. Another job that you need to target is partners platforms. Partners platform are third-party companies like this CPS Research. They are very popular and they have a lot of jobs for Nigerians and for Africans. After that, you can now do app jobs. You'll be able to see different jobs you can do. Like this one, you just need to take your baby's picture and post it to them. You get €2. These are another jobs. You'll be able to get €3. These are jobs that will earn you good money that you can do with your phone or tablet. To withdraw your money, you come to this side, you scroll down, you select your payment method. To set up your payment method, you either choose ClickWorker or Payoneer. I'm currently using ClickWorker. The challenge with Payoneer is that you can only withdraw when your money gets to €20, but you can withdraw with ClickWorker e-wallet when your money gets to €10. I recommend ClickWorker e-wallet, and I have a video. The link of the video will come out here. It's full detailed video on step by step of how you set up your ClickWorker wallet. Ensure you watch that video. This is ToCaptcha, where you can do captcha entry work from home jobs. You can see you'll be able to make money on this platform while you do typing jobs, solving captchas. All you need to do is to click start work and you'll be able to do your fast registration and you click continue. This is my dashboard and you can see I currently have almost $2. You can see to earn more funds, please use our app for Android or you can use Windows desktop. To start, you just click start work. You will need to go through some training. The training won't cost you anything. It will help you to learn how making money typing captcha works. You'll be required to be very fast when you are doing capturing job. This is just a training. You just click start work. So you are expected to type inside there. When you think you are right, you click send work. You can see I've gotten that one right. This is another one that is thrown at me. There are 2 words. You type the 2 words. When you are sure you are okay, send. Just make sure you read the instructions before you guess what you are typing. When such a letter is written like this, all you just need to do is to type them together. You look at it and you click send. 2569. 2569. You enter. This one you select 3 squares with 3 signs. That is 37B. 37B. That is how you do captcha and you earn, though the amount you earn is very small, but it's something to somebody. For you to cash out, you click request payout when you have enough money. You will see the available balance you have. Please note that you can only request a payout only after 4 days of your registration on the platform, and you'll be able to select your payment method by clicking change wallet, and these are the minimum amount you need to have before you can use each of the payment methods. This is a good one here. You can also use Payoneer, and if you can wait to gather up to $30, you can use USDT, but this is a good one to use. You now know how to work with these remote data entry jobs. All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video, sign up and start working. You see, working with all these websites can only earn you extra cash. It can never make you rich. But if you want to make real money, I suggest you become a YouTuber. There's nothing you cannot sell with video marketing. You'll be able to build your own brand and you'll be able to become an employer of labor. You see the links to my YouTube training program below the description of this video. Ensure you check it out. Also, you need to watch the next video. It is about my top recommended 23 apps and websites that earn me money in dollars all the time from home in Nigeria. Ensure you watch that video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.